So what's up, girls? How are you? Thank you so much for joining my channel again. I'm Naturally Me Dion, and if you guys don't know, you can find a lot of great things like natural hair. You can find makeup. We can do story times. I pretty much do a little bit of everything on here. It just depends on you. Whatever you want to see, you just let me know by commenting down below, and I'll be sure to bring those videos to you. Now, I'm just one of those types that I can do whatever. It can be whatever, whenever, however, what you want, when you need it. Like, that's what you got here. That's what I do. I'm just real, okay? I tell you the truth, and I like to discover new products and work with new products that works great for my combination skin. I also like to find products for natural hair. Also recently started back doing videos for hair tutorials, so if you guys are interested in any of those things, be sure to stay tuned and be sure to watch more videos. If you guys see links coming up here anytime, guys, you can check those videos out and you're welcome to them, okay? And I'm pretty sure that you'll find my videos pretty much helpful. I try to make your life easier, okay? Anyway, let's jump into this video now. So when I thought about making this video like 2 months ago, a month ago, during the pandemic, which we're still in the pandemic, and we all know that everybody's lives has changed. A lot of people went back to work and some people just didn't because you're afraid, and some of you guys that are working, if you're in the makeup field like me, it makes you kind of still skeptical or whatnot, but you don't really know what to expect. So the thing about it is, what everybody's saying, cover your face, keep your face covered, and you will be okay. But who can trust that? Because I don't always trust that. So I was thinking about coming with this video because I see a lot of people actually before I started seeing the drawing on the face of the mask, that is really nice. That's a nice art. But my thing is, when I make videos, I like to make videos that are very useful. And I just want to make videos that are useful for you. Okay, something that you're going to probably have to do that actually makes sense. No! That actually makes sense to your day-to-day life. We're not going to be drawing. I think it's so hot. But honestly, for national life here, we're not going to be drawing masks on our face. That's not going to make us safe. Like, how's that gonna help us? But hey, that just is not good. That's not gonna help us. So in this video today, guys, I'm gonna give you a way to keep your face protective and still look good, okay? So stay tuned. Where's my mirror? So I'm just gonna go into my Estee Lauder brow. Okay. Don't have to go too heavy with my brows. Just a little light. It doesn't really. So it's totally up to you. Today I think I just want to be a little light with the brows. When I get this area here, I like for that area to be a lot darker, so I really tend to go heavier here, and this is when I break my brow pencils every time. I normally break them when it gets here because I'm very heavy handed. Okay, now I'm gonna just get me some concealer and work with this. So the concealer of my choice will be by Morphe. And I don't know if this is the one I need to just let go, throw away, because it may be empty, but I believe in getting all the products out of here. So Morphe, if you're listening, please put me on your PR list for your concealer because I love them. I buy them. I'm just in love with them, okay? So yeah, and I'm totally out. Look like I got some in there. I just hate throwing away things unless I get it all out. Okay, let's see. What else I got? I gotta throw that away. Ooh, Morphe need to put me on their PR list. Tarte, Shape Tape need to put me on their PR list because I'm buying this stuff often, okay? So, let's go ahead. Wash these brows. So guys, right now what I'm about to do is grab this ink liner that I will use to do my brows with from Urban Decay, and I'm gonna create a guide here, and I'm just gonna make a guideline so where I know for sure my mask is gonna sit on my face. So that is what I'm drawing right now. This is gonna help me, know where my stopping points are when applying my foundation. Guys, I did find my shadow that I wanted to use. It is by MAC and it's called Skank. And this is pretty like burgundy with the sheer. It's so beautiful and dark just the way I like it. I was so happy to go ahead and use this. I was like, oh, this is going to be bomb. So I decided to use this color. So right here, guys, I'm beginning to just apply that shadow. And I'm telling you, that color has came out very dark. Darker than what I'm seeing in the pan. But that's okay because I do like my shadows to be dark. Because I like the more darkness on the edge versus, on the lid. I like it better to be dark on the edge. Guys, my first time really using a matte eyeshadow. I mean, it is bomb.com, but it is so hard. Now I'm going to definitely go in with another color to kind of spruce it up a tad bit. I think I'm going to go into maybe this color here. Grateful. I think I'm going to go into Grateful. Just a tad bit. Just to kind of go in like so. It's going to give it like an orange. That color always fooled me. Like, I think it's like a brown, but it's really more so orange. Just to kind of give that other color a little bit of like a glow. Tone it down, but kind of. I'm definitely going to go in here and kind of play with some tones in this area here. Blend a few colors. So what I'm in now is Crazy. What the hell? And that's my favorite color of this palette. Crazy. Crazy woman. Crazy. So what I'm going to do is go into my Too Faced glue, glitter glue. And what this does is it helps the glitter to kind of stay still on your eyes. It brings the best out that glitter, okay? And you can do this however you like. This is one of the ways that I always do it because, I mean, it's me doing. So guys, I decided to use this Pretty Gold, which is in the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And this color here is called Tarte. And ooh, Tarte, girl. She is just, oh my God. When I put it on with my finger, it just was so perfect. Tiana, all right, which is this pretty glittery color here, and I just applied Tatiana here, And Tatiana is really nice. Like, I really do like it. I really do like Tatiana. What I like to do is when I work with my glitters, I like to make sure it's blended in real good. I go into my Morphe foundation. Everything's Morphe. You know I love Morphe, right? So I'm gonna go into my Morphe foundation. Okay? It's bomb.com, okay? So my bare mineral brush, okay, which looks like this. And this brush here helps me gain a lot of control. What I like so much about this brush is I can just kind of pop the foundation like so. Well, it really probably won't take this much of foundation that I have on this brush. It might not take that much because I'm not really polishing the whole face. Doing half the face. Guys, I really do hope this video is helping you guys. And this video here was an idea that I came up with. I don't know if it's anything out there like it. If so, cool, thumbs up. But this video here came from a great place in my heart to help us ladies get back to what we were doing, being beautiful. And I just wanted us to be beautiful and be safe at the same time. Take back our life. Take back the authority where we are women. We can look cute. We can do what we have to do. And we can compromise, okay? So I really do hope that this video is a big help to you because it really inspired me to wear my makeup underneath this mask. And I don't have to use a lot, okay? This season I can save money because I'm not using much, okay? I'm only doing a half face. Now, if this video is a help to you guys, the way you can help me is subscribe to the channel. It really helps my channel so much when you guys subscribe to the channel and it tells YouTube that I'm doing my part and grabbing your guys' attention. I'm actually helping you. So I hope that I'm helping you girls today. So it will be grateful if you guys can give me a big thumbs up. Also like this video, thumbs up. Subscribe, girl. Subscribe. Help me help you. Bring great content. So guys, it comes that time where everything comes to an end and I'm about to leave y'all. I'm about to put a little highlights on my face, just a tad bit, not much. As I told you, I'm not doing a whole face, it's a half face. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe for me, girl. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And girl, yeah, I did put some black eyeshadow on. Yeah, I wanted to speed this video up because I didn't want you guys to be waiting so long. So I want you guys to tell me, what do you like? Do you like long videos or do you like kind of like short? Tell me so I can keep them coming to you because I indeed can't give you a fully tutorial with a short video. You need like 27 minutes when it comes down to full beat step by step. But I try to make life easier and get on through. But everything else, guys, is self-explanatory. I really do hope you like it. Bye, girl. I see y'all later. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your night. Be blessed. And remember, be you. And we're going to get through this. Bye, pussycat. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to press the subscribe button if you haven't yet, okay? It really does help my channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. I love you. My Father loves you more. Till we meet again. Bye.